Welcome to another Inner Life 101 video. In this video, guys, I have something I want to show you real quick. It's not going to take long at all. When Eligio did the PK the other night with TKO Capone, which was epic, the next day he got up and he gave a, he went in and started talking about how he don't hate his brothers and all of this other stuff because he know not what he's do and all this. Anyway, and I noticed two things. First, it looks like Eligio is shaving his eyebrows. He's trimming his eyebrows, okay? And it almost looked like, he might have messed up on one of them. But the other one, the other thing that I noticed, the Messiah, Jesus Christ consciousness, I guess, God, has one of the biggest herpes on his lip that I have ever seen. He has a big herpes on his lip. And it's amazing to me. I know we seen it, we see his hair peeling back and his, he's having all the dermatitis and stuff going on his face. And you see the other women with the herpes on their lips, but you don't really see him with that. Most of it is just the ashiness and stuff around his mouth and stuff. But this time, it's a huge herp on his lip. And you could tell he's trying to hide it, too. So, let's take a look at that.
Like, what the fuck?
See, you look like he messed up one of them. And the other one is just much more shaped. But also, take a look at this. I guess I cut the sound down because I don't want to hear him talk. So, hold on. Let's look at this. You can see it a little bit there on his lip. But I gotta let him talk a little bit so that, I can let him move his mouth. I can turn the sound down so you can see it moving. Gets a better picture then.
After you, my nigga, I swear to God, it's war now. And you go to the police because you was sucking my dick, bitch. My dick healed you. Bitch, you came in with an STD. I healed you, bitch. Bitch, fuck you. I can't stand you, my nigga. I wish I could kill you. I swear to God, I wish I could kill you. I don't like you.
There you have it, everyone. Our friendly neighborhood thug guru, the Messiah. As long as you can get to the Capricorn and between Capricorn and Cancer in the tropics. He has a big herp on his lip. Now he's swept down. He don't have any diseases because he is God. He's protected. He's not like us. He's not like the human beings on this earth. And he heals people with his penis, as you heard. So he can't get any diseases. Matter of fact, he says women give men diseases. Men don't give it to women. Of course that's nonsense. It's craziness. It's Really, really out there. But if anybody out there truly thinks that somehow this guy is higher, look at his lip. He's not higher. He's nowhere. He's just like everyone else. And if he wasn't, and he is such a good scientist and such a high vibrating being, then physician, heal thyself. Thank you, everyone, for joining me in this video. And do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one. Okay? Peace and blessings.